You may be watching this video from your laptop, your phone, or even your tablet right now, and using up your data without making a dime. You have many apps installed on your phone for communication, chatting, playing games, and many fun things you do daily. But how about you consider earning money, and lots of it, from enjoying your phone just the way you do daily? Yes, I mean use your phone to log onto your favorite app or website and boom, you make money for just using your apps. Yes, you don't need any special skill or investment to make money in this method. All you need is your phone with internet connection and voila, you are making money. It is all free apps you will download, install on your Android or iPhone, and you earn money. Simple. You will download these apps free from Google Play Store or Apple iOS Store, and as you use them, you make money. This method of making money is available all over the world, and you don't need to move out of your location, or even use a VPN to participate in this system. Now, before you get started in this money-making system, I welcome you to this channel, where you will be learning how to make money the easy and legit way. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to keep receiving more money-making videos from this channel. You should also remember to give us a thumbs up if you find value in this video. Now, let us move right back to how you will be making money from this system. The website I will like you to visit is Furpection. Here, at Furpection homepage, you can see that they are a user research consulting and testing website. They help companies understand the expectations and behavior of their users, which will help them convert such observations into business drives. They help the companies write researches, then help them recruit end users for remote user tests, interviews, and surveys, to help them recommend relevant inputs from such studies. Okay. Enough of all this English. I know, you are eager to know how to make money from this website. I will be showing you all the process in a moment. Please ensure you watch the video to the end, and do not skip any part, so that you will not miss any step in the process. As you can see here, they are patronized by big companies from all over the world. We have companies like Coca-Cola, Samsung, Airbus, L'Oreal, Orange, and more, all patronizing this website. This tells you that they are legit and you are in a safe hands on this website. It also means you will get to earn good sum of money from this website. Now, to start earning money on this website, I will like you to come to the top right side of this home page here, and click on Become a Tester. You will be taken to this page, where you will get to register and start earning money. Their caption here says it all. Become a tester on the internet. Earn money by your opinion on mobile sites and applications. There are just 3 steps involved in this process. You will sign up and give your opinion to be heard. As you do so, you will increase your skills. This means you don't need any skill to get started. You will learn all the skills you need in the process. You will then earn money for your participation, and be paid through PayPal or Amazon gift vouchers. This website boasts of more than 250,000 testers, and you more than welcome to join now. If you are getting value from this video, please give us a thumbs up now, and if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. This is how it works on this website. 1. You explore sites and apps using your mobile phone or tablet. 2. You send your feedback, either positive or negative. 3. Your feedback is reviewed by moderators and boom, you are paid. When you register with Furpection, which will take you just few minutes, you will be receiving mail to participate in surveys, and be earning your payment through your PayPal account for $10, $15, and $20 per test. To register and get started right away, click on Start Earning Money, and you will be on this page, where you will just need to fill in your email address first, then you will click on the Next button, and you will be on this page, where you will fill in your details, and start earning money. You will need your email, then your first name, your password, and your PayPal email account here, for cashing out on this website. You will then click on the term of use here, and then click on Enter. Now, here you will answer some few questions to get set for your money. You will select gender here. You will select also your country of location here. Oh, yes, as you can see here, all the countries of this world are available for you to select. This means they accept people from all the world. After this, you will need to type in your city of location here. And yes, this is the message you will see. Welcome to Furpection. You will receive by email invitation to participate in studies. From here, you will just check your email inbox for their email. And here it is, the welcome email from Frepection. Thank you for joining the Frepection panel. We will send you proposal for participation in the studies by email. Boom, you are on your way to earning thousands of dollars from this online money platform. Ciao.